Hey YouTube, my name is Geneva. Thank you so much for being here. If you want my take on the Tory Burch Miller sandals and also to see a little unboxing, then please continue to watch. So recently on the internet, there's been like a lot of rumblings about the Tory Burch Miller shoes, whether or not they're chuggy or if they're a classic shoe, and I'm going to give you guys my opinion on it. I think they're a classic shoe. I think that they're going to be around. They've already stood the test of time, and I think they will continue to. I think they are a part of the Tory Burch heritage, and we're going to see them, different variations for them, for a very long time. So before we actually get into the review, I'm going to go ahead and start this video off by doing a little unboxing. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this bag. This is not a true unboxing because I have had these shoes for a while, but I still had the box, so we're going to pretend. So this is what the packaging looks like when you order them. And here is the shoe. Here's the box that it comes in. And here are the shoes. So this is the Optic white sandal, and the size, I have these in a size 10. So this is what they look like. So this is one of them. It comes with a dust bag also, and yeah, that's the shoe. So let's go ahead and jump into the review. If you're unfamiliar with the Tory Burch Miller sandals, I'll just give you a quick overview of the actual sandal. So they're timeless style and they have exceptional comfort. It's a very classic design. It has top stitching and then the laser cut logo with hand painted edges. The footbed is about 55 millimeters wide. The shoe runs slightly small, so it is suggested that you order a half size up. It's a thong slip-on sandal made of leather or patent leather, and yeah, so that is it, and they are made in Brazil. I own the Tory Burch Miller sandals in two different styles. So this is the classic in the patent leather, and I also have the clouds. So they both retail for $198, and I think we should discuss this one first. So these were the first pair that I ever purchased. I am a true 9.5. If you go in the store, put your foot in the little thing that measures your feet size. I'm a true 9.5 and I have wide feet. These to me are perfection. They are comfortable, and with the Miller shoes, I do recommend sizing up a half a size or even a whole size. So if you are a 9.5 and you have wide feet, either go with the 10, but if you want a little bit more room, go with the 10.5. These are very, very comfortable. They're wide foot friendly and they're actually gorgeous, timeless. You can dress these up, you can dress these down. I've had these for so many years and you can wear them all the time. They still look really, really good. I don't have an issue with this part of the shoe. I'm also a sandal type of girl, but as long as you get the right size for your foot, then you shouldn't have an issue with this at all. I prefer the patent leather over that regular leather, and I prefer these because they're essentially waterproof. You can wear this. I've worn these in Jamaica. I've worn these to the beach. I love wearing these because you just rinse them off and you're ready to go. Like I said, I've had these for a number of years and they're still in really, really good condition. And yeah, so I love these so much that I got them in the white that you just saw me unbox. So I now have these in two colors, but the exact same style, because I don't think I would purchase another style just because I love these a lot. And compared to the clouds, which we'll discuss in just a second, these to me are more classic and timeless. So let me go ahead and head over to the clouds and give you the information on that. So these are the Millers in the cloud. You can see they have a 1-inch platform and they're supposed to make your feet feel like they're on clouds. On the website, it says that they're true to size, but in my opinion, I would still recommend going up at least half a size on these. So these I purchased, you can see back there, I purchased in a size 10 and they fit perfectly. I kind of wish I would have gotten a 10 and a half, but they're fine. These are also leather. What I do not like about these, I've had these a less amount of time than I've had the black ones, and you can already see like the leather is rubbing off. Yeah, there, hopefully you can see. And I've not worn these nearly as much as I've worn the black ones, but yeah, the leather is wearing off. And I also heard that if you were to get the other Millers, so if you were to have these Millers here in the actual leather, not the patent, then also people had issues with the leather rubbing off, and I just do not prefer that look at all. So I would not repurchase these. So the color is absolutely gorgeous on this shoe. I just do not like that it's leather and that it rubs off when you have the shoe on. But besides that, comfortable wise, they are definitely comfortable. A lovely timeless shoe. I think this is perfect for the spring and the summer. And yeah, so that's the Cloud ones. So overall, do I think that they are worth the $198 price tag? I do. I love them. Like I said, you know, my opinion from the start, I think they're a classic shoe. I think they're gorgeous. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. They have versatility. They also come in so many different colors, so many different styles. I've been eyeing the pink ones, so I'm probably going to add them to my collection as well. Now, the price range varies. If you want just the classic style, you're going to get them for $198, but they have some that are going upwards of $400, different styles that are, you know, embellished with all kinds of different finishes. So the prices do definitely range, but for a $200 shoe, I actually wear mine all the time, whether I'm going casual or I'm going, you know, semi-dressy, and I think that they work regardless. I wear them all the time. And yeah, I definitely think that they are worth it. I would recommend sizing up. They are not true to size, so definitely size up in this particular shoe. They are wide foot friendly, and I love the patent versus the regular leather. So I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to come back next week because I deliver new videos every week. My name is Geneva. I'm so happy that you're here. Hope you found this video helpful when you are deciding on which Miller you're going to add to your collection. And I think that's it. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.